Here's how to fix if your Messenger application is not working on your mobile device. It does not matter if you're using your Android or iPhone, the steps are completely same. So let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Messenger application on your mobile device. To ensure that, you need to open your Play Store if you're using Android and App Store if you're using your iPhone. Tap on the search bar in the top of the screen and then search for Messenger application. If you see an update button over there, simply go ahead and tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. Now go ahead and tap and hold onto the Messenger application. Tap on the eye icon in the top, then scroll down and go to storage. Click on clear cache. You can also tap on clear data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Also go to permissions and make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app. Now go to the battery section and make sure that it's set to optimized or unrestricted. And if none of the solutions work, tap on uninstall, tap on OK to confirm, and then open your Play Store or App Store to install it again. And once it has been installed, log into your account. But before that, go ahead and restart your entire system settings. This way, the problem of Messenger not working might be resolved. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.